Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to promote chocolate and candy business using WhatsApp via Facebook lead ads. So let's take an example that you own a chocolate and candy business. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you're running ads on that page. A lot of people are showing interest in your chocolate and candy business advertisement. With those ads, you are getting lots of leads on daily basis, but you are unable to reply to those leads and lose lot of potential clients. Now you want to reply all those leads on their WhatsApp along with the brochure or flyer link of your business. In this way, you will be able to interact with each and every lead quickly, which can ultimately bring more sales and profit to your business. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your customers from Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your chocolate and candy business brochure and send it to them personally. But this will be a time consuming and a tiresome process. And this becomes difficult when you have large number of leads in a single day. So how you are going to send to all of them? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your chocolate and candy business brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Facebook page A to Z NutriShop. This is the Facebook lead ad form. This is the chocolate and candy brochure which is saved into my Google Drive. And this is the WhatsApp number of a customer. So now I want that whenever the customer fills this particular form, automatically the chocolate and candy brochure which is saved into my Google Drive, the link should be shared with the customer on his WhatsApp number over here. So I'll just go to the form and let us just fill this form over here and let us give the email address as adamsmith22@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as Adam Smith and let us give his phone number over here. And now let's click on next, submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now we have to check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we can see a message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z NutriShop. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our chocolate and candy business. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Website address is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards A to Z NutriShop. Okay, so our message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now let us check this link also. So here I can find chocolate and candy brochure is shared with the customer. So here you might be wondering that I just filled this form over here and automatically the chocolate and candy brochure which was saved into my Google Drive, it is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here along with a message. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So I'm going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ad forms, the same data will be used and your chocolate and candy business brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we are going to use 360 dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. Here in the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us just give the workflow name as Send Chocolate and Candy Business Brochure to Customers on WhatsApp. And now let's click on Create. Here you can just give the workflow name as per your requirement also. And then you can click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever the customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically your chocolate and candy business brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, let us select new lead. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. And now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the page that we have created on the Facebook account and the lead generation form that we have placed on this particular page to capture the leads. So I'll just take you to the Facebook page, that is A to Z NutriShop, and this is the Facebook lead ad form. So I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect and we have to select the particular page, that is A to Z NutriShop. Now we can see that the lead generation form is automatically captured just because I have just one form in this particular page. If you have created multiple forms, so you can select the form from the drop down, whatever form you like. Okay. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to go to this particular form, the lead generation form, and we have to create a test lead on the name of some customer, just because after clicking on save and send test request, it is going to capture the recent response. So to capture the response, we have to go to this form. So let us just go to the form and here let us give the email address of the customer, that is shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as Shikha Arya and let's give her phone number over here and let's click on next, submit. Go back to Pabbly Connect and now we have to click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and the details that we have filled in the form, that is name Shikha Arya, her phone number and the email address is captured over here. Now we want to send the chocolate and candy business brochure to this particular customer on this WhatsApp number. So for that we have to come to this action window and here we have to select the application name as 360 Dialog. In the action event, let us select send template message. Let's click on connect. Here again we have to click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API Key button. So we have to go to 360 Dialog account and from there we'll be moving to WhatsApp account page. So this is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to this WhatsApp accounts and here we can find Generate API Key option. So you have to simply click on Generate API Key, generate the key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, we can use the same API key for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. Now domain is required. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. Example is also given. So we have to simply copy this example and we have to paste the example over here. Now whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. Now after pasting the API key and domain name, simply click on save. As I have already created a connection with the already generated API key, I'll just choose this option, that is choose existing connection, and I'll click on save. And now 360 Dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook, and once the template is approved, the same template can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll just take you to my 360 dialog once again, and here we can find manage templates option. Click on this. Now here you can see I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign, add template. Here you can give the template name. From here you can select the category as per your requirement. Various categories are available over here. From here you can select the language of your choice. Here you can select the template type, and here you can give the template body text, that is the message you want to send on the WhatsApp. Then click on preview and submit. Then it will be going for the approval, and once it is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this window, and here let us just find the template which I have already created and got it approved. That is send brochure final. I'll just open this. Now here, hello, here I want the name of the customer. So let us read the template, and before that I'll just tell you that why I have kept some numbers in the curly braces. Just because these are the body fields, and the values of these body fields are going to change every time as per the customer. So here the first parameter, that is customer name, is going to change every time. In this way the values will be changing. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your business name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. You can find all the services which we offer in our chocolate and candy business. You can give like that. Here the link of your brochure can be given, the flyer link. For more details, you can visit our website. Here website address can be mentioned. For more note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here again your business name is going to come. So let us select this template, send brochure final in Pabbly Connect. And let us just find the same template, send brochure final. Now here we can see the namespace and language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the message. So we have got the customer details here from Facebook lead ad forms. So we are going to map these details, the name and the mobile number now. And let us just map the mobile number over here from Facebook lead ads, and the mobile number is this. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali, that's the name of a person, and here in the template also the first parameter we require is the name of the customer. So let us just map the name of the customer, that is Shikha Arya. Body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template we require the business name. Thank you for showing your interest in. So the business name is A to Z NutriShop. So we have to type the same name over there also, that is A to Z NutriShop. Now body field 3, example software. Here in the template, meanwhile you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. You can find all the services which we offer in our chocolate and candy business we can give. So let us just type chocolate and candy business. Okay. Now body field 4, a link is required. So I have saved the brochure, the candy brochure, in my Google Drive over here. So I'll just simply make a right click. I'll click on share option. Here we will find get link option. We have to simply click on copy link. Link will be copied to clipboard. Go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the link over here. Okay. Now body field 5, you can give the website address over here. Example is also given. So I'll just go to the Facebook page and I'll simply copy this URL from here. And I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just paste the URL over here. Now body field 6, example Pabbly. Here in the template also body field 6, thank you, regards, your business name is going to come once again. So we have to just copy this business name from here and we have to type the same name over here also. And now let's click on save and send test request. And now here we can see the responses received. Now let's go to WhatsApp and check whether the customer has received any message or not. And here we can see a message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z NutriShop. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same template message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we can see the body field values, that is the first one, Shikha Arya. Second we have given was A to Z NutriShop. Third we have given was chocolate and candy business. Fourth we have given was the link. Fifth we have given was the website address. And the last we have given was A to Z NutriShop. So here we can see that all the values of the body fields are correctly pasted. Now let us check this link also. So here I can find the candy brochure. It is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay. So now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that, again we have to go to the Facebook lead and form, and we have to create one more lead on the name of some other customer. So here in the form I have given the name as akash123@gmail.com. I have given the full name as Akash Kapoor and I have given the phone number. Now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now we have to go to the WhatsApp number of this customer and let's check what he has received on his WhatsApp number. And now here we can see a message. Hello Akash Kapoor. Thank you for showing your interest in A to Z NutriShop. So the same message is sent on the WhatsApp number of Akash also. Let us recheck this link. What is there inside this link? And here I can find the candy brochure once again. So here in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and the correct messages are going on the WhatsApp number of the customers along with the brochure link. Now here you can see that the data has captured immediately, but sometimes this may take time in fetching the data, as the trigger here, that is the Facebook lead ads, is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever the customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically your chocolate and candy business brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.